We are here in Beaverwood Farms here in New Jersey. We got a bunch of Christmas trees that we're going to be picking out, so stay tuned. So the Christmas tree of choice is the blue spruce first, and you got a bunch more. You got the Norway spruce fields over there, white spruce as well. Alright, I'm just gonna do something random, run through this cornfield right here, just for the sake, like I'm in Smallville or something like that. So here we go, cornfields. We're here in Beaverbrook Farms, and you got free apple cider. You can get your trees like plowed up, but a lot of cool stuff. We are heading in Anderson Farm. It's one of these country marketplaces. You can see. Check it out. One thing you gotta get when you're here is apple cider. If you get a Christmas tree, make sure you support the local farmers market as well. Get some delicious apple cider. Ooh, yeah. We are fulfilling our apple cider donuts by going to this shop that I think it's open. We're gonna check it out. Windy Brow Farms. Let's go in. Oh, let's sanitize first. Found out they make apple cider donuts here on site, but they also make their apple cider here on site. So I'll probably have to get another one. Keep it at home, store it up. Apple cider, check it out. Try this apple cider. Freshly made.